Welcome, this is John Hyman from Commercial Real Estate Online. This is another video for my friends in commercial real estate brokerage around the world. This particular topic is all about prospecting roadblocks and how to fix them. And of course, real estate prospecting is part of the game of commercial and retail real estate. The easier and the faster that you get your prospecting models underway, the more new business you will find, that is with clients and listings. So that's what this program is about. Of course, if you haven't checked out our website, you can do so at commercial-realestate-training.com. So let's go further. There are roadblocks in the industry. When you work as a commercial real estate broker or an agent, you will come across plenty of roadblocks in the prospecting and cold calling process. You simply need to connect with new people. That takes a habit development program. That takes time. The sooner that you do that, the better things will become for you as a broker or an agent. Now, that being said, the common issues that are likely to hold you back in personal performance do exist, and they will hold you back in commissions and listings. So you need to resolve those things, understand them for what they are, and take some simple steps to resolve those things. And that's what this program is about. So what are the common roadblocks that people strike? Firstly, it's hard to find the right people to talk to. Research is required, and many agents don't want to do the hard research personally. Of course, some other things take over the day. Current deals and clients tend to take over the priorities of the working day. And then talking to new people. Call reluctance is a big issue for many agents and brokers in reaching out to new people that they don't know or haven't spoken to before. And the last point here is that establishing a pipeline of contact is a requirement. You need a database where you can track the conversations and the actions that you apply to your prospects. Organisation is critical. So how do you fix these things? In one word, you can say that commitment will take you forward through the barriers and the hurdles that these things present. It stands to reason that if you talk to new people, you will find new business. The conversion of that new business will improve with a bit of research, practice, and personal development and control. Everything is thereby up to you, and you can actually get progress very quickly by simply changing your habits and practicing things. So let's talk. Let's talk about commercial real estate a bit more here before giving you the solutions to these issues. Commercial real estate agency work is quite specialized, and so it should be, given that we are working with valuable assets and cash flow. The clients that we serve can sometimes be demanding and challenging. Advanced communication and negotiation skills are thereby required. And on a weekly basis, it pays to role-play your market circumstances and events that you find are common in the industry. And you can do that role-playing with your sales team. This says that you will strike common events in the marketplace and challenges in the marketplace. And when you do, you can role-play them at the end of each week in the sales team meeting. Practice with difficult market conditions can help you with conversions of sales and leases. So what's the first hurdle? Whilst it's hard to find the right people to talk to, and research is required to do that, if you focus listing quality properties, those top prospects and clients will find you to talk about their property requirements. A quality listing attracts better quality people. And of course, a good quality listing can be spread around the marketplace through direct marketing, and that's your reason to talk to other people. So focus on quality listings. Number 2. The average working day for a broker or an agent is always busy. On that basis, control and discipline is required. That's a personal thing, and you can do that. Just start to ignore the things that will take you away from the critical tasks of your career, your job. It's a daily process. The best way to do that is set your day down in a work planner or diary the night before the working day. Stick to your plan, stick to your diary, and don't let anybody else change the plan unless it's deal related. Now, from that point onwards, you should stick to the plan each day, each week. At the end of each week, you can assess how successful you were in the overall scheme of things. Only the most important issues should change your routine. That's the rule, not the exception. Number 3. Habits are required to find and reach out to new people. So make it a habit to talk to new people regularly. You can do that At the same time each day, that is a time in your diary. Devote 2 or 3 hours to connecting with new people. Put the time in your diary and stick to it. Number 4. Everyone knows that a database is an important thing today. It's useful. It's a very useful tool in commercial real estate. That being said, accuracy is required in data collection, and that data has to be reasonably up to date. That means you should be making regular calls to the same people over time just to talk to them. And as you note any differences, any change of property circumstances or requirements, change the database. Don't delegate your database processes to others. It simply doesn't work. If you want to get ahead yourself, then you simply should be doing the database shaping as you make your calls. Take ownership of your data and build it at each and every opportunity during the day. So I've mentioned 4 things here for you. They're quite simple, they're quite direct. It takes organisation at a personal level to achieve the results that you want in commercial real estate brokerage. So the ways to resolve prospecting problems are quite simple. They all come back to personal commitment and systems. Now that's up to you. Get these things started and sorted as soon as possible. My name is John Hyman. You can check out our website, which is commercial-realestate-training.com, to get more tips, tools and ideas about commercial real estate sales, leasing and property management. Of course, from this video, you'll know more about prospecting, and I hope you can get those systems under control. Your career, your rewards and your commissions await. This is John Hyman signing off for now.